In this video, I will show you how to change your age on Coffee Meets Bagel. You can change your age later inside Coffee Meets Bagel, so it is really important to set it correctly during sign up. When you're creating your account, the app will show you your birthday and give you a clear reminder to make sure it's accurate, because once you confirm, your age is locked. Before you continue to the next step, a confirmation pop-up will appear on the screen. This pop-up is there to remind you one more time to double-check the date. At this point, you still have the chance to go back and correct it if you made a mistake or noticed a typo. But once you press confirm, your age is permanently tied to your profile and there's no option in the app to edit or update it later. That's why it's important to slow down at this step. Check the month, day, and year carefully before hitting confirm. If everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm, and your birthday will be saved. From then on, your age in Coffee Meets Bagel is fixed, so always make sure the information you enter at the start is accurate.